Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today I have a heavy-duty headlight restoration kit to work with. This headlight needs lots of work, lots of yellowing. Can you see it in the camera? Yeah, I think you can see it a bit there. Here, let's get in here a little closer. Yeah, she's yellowed up a bit. It's not clear, as you can see. So, it's not clear. I got to do something with it. I just got it at the wrecker. It's for my G6, my other headlight. Actually, the other headlight, the adjuster broke. I can't adjust it up and down, and when it broke, it's aiming all the way down now. So I did take it out and try to fix it, but something seriously broke in there. So I had to go and grab myself another headlight. So I grabbed this new kit here, and I hope it will do the job. It does have drill powered action, so I do have my trusty hyper tough drill. Hopefully I can use it here. And you know, it's a Simoniz Platinum, and yes, not a sponsor. I don't have a sponsor. Wish somebody would sponsor me, but no, nothing yet. But comes complete with drill-mounted applicator, hand applicator, 3 sanding pads, polishing pad, microfiber cloth, Simoniz Platinum Headlight Polish Restorer, and Simoniz Platinum Headlight Sealant. Good. It always should have the sealant. So there we go. I read the instructions. So I'm going to go by the instructions on here and do what I'm supposed to do. So let me just get her all set up here, and we'll get working on it. Well, actually, let me just open up and show you what's coming out of this kit. There is the beautiful microfiber cloth. Man, that is nice. What else we got in here? The drill applicator for the drill. I don't know. Let's see here. The sanding discs. Yes, the sanding discs. And, what else we got? This is headlight sealant. Okay. And this is headlight polish restorer. Oh, we got more. And here is the applicator, you know, for hand sanding, and I guess that's for putting on the headlight polish restorer. Well, we'll see. We'll see. What are the sandpapers here we have? 2,000, 1,000, 3,000. So, I guess we would start with the 1,000, and then the 2,000, and then the 3,000. And of course, we're supposed to use some sort of fluid, water, to, you know, give it some, what do you call it? Just makes it less dusty. Makes everything go a lot better. But let me check out this. And this thing, I thought this was supposed to have a, I don't know. Maybe this is just used for polishing? Yeah. I think this is just used for polishing with the drill. Well, okay. I guess we're supposed to do the rest of it by hand, which, I can do. Not a problem. There we go. All right. Recycling. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm doing a headlight. Okay. I'm going to bring you in a little because my camera is better on this setting. Yeah, my camera is better on that setting. So, I am going to have to start with the 1,000, I think. So, we got this. 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. I would honestly like to have started this at the 600 or something, but I guess 1,000 will do. Well, let me give her a spray. and we'll get to scrubbing it. And it's going to take a lot of scrubbing, so you know, I'm not going to do it. This was just water. I don't know, might be a little dish soap in here. I think there is. There's a little bit of dish soap in here. I think that's okay. Yeah, there's a little dish soap. It's not going to hurt it, I'm sure. So there we go. And we're just going to do straight movements. This is the way it tells you. Not circular. It does say do straight movements. And it's going to take a lot of this. So I'm going to be sanding this thing for a bit here. So I may... Oh, you can see the yellowing coming out of it. Well, at least I hope you can see the yellowing. You can see the yellow. Maybe not with this camera. Oh. But I can see it being scrubbed out, the yellowing. So... Luckily, this is the kind of headlight that does not have the nubs on it. You know, the nubs on a headlight. And there we go. We're going to try to do this thing the right way. Come on, get in the corner there. There we go. So, I'll keep scrubbing away and bring you back. So I've scrubbed her for umpteen minutes here. So let me take a look. And if it isn't the way I like it, I'm going to scrub it some more. So I don't think it is the way I like it. So I am going to scrub it some more. Yeah, I can still see splotchiness and stuff. So I'm going to continue, but you sure can't see that it is kind of fuzzy now. Or, well, I can still see quite a bit of yellow in this area here and around the bottom through here. So I'm going to give her some more scrubbing, and we'll come back to it. All right, after 5 more minutes of scrubbing, I think it looks much better now. At least it does look better. Ah, yes, I think we got it this time. She's pretty even all the way through. So there we go. Hopefully that is doing the job. Okay, now I'm going to have to switch her up to 2000 grit. So, take this one off. There we go. Give this thing a wipe off here. And 2000 grits. Oh. There we go, 2000 grit. And I'm going to have to give this another spray. There we go. And there we go. And, oh yes, I can feel the resistance in this now. At least I hope it's going to work out. Because, hey, you never know before you do this. This isn't the kind of kit I actually like. The one I did like that's on my channel was the McGuire's kit with the, it had the spray can of clear coat for plastic. That kit works really good. But, you know, I'm trying this one and see how it works. So, you know, you gotta try them. And since it's now becoming more of a winter time, then now I gotta think of other things to fill up the spaces for my uploads. And yeah, I figured I'd do a lot more inside stuff during the winter time. At least it's winter here. At least all the snow outside tells me it is. And it's cooler It's minus 14 Celsius right now outside. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, since Canadians like me, we only do everything in kilometers and Celsius. Let me give this a wipe. Take a look here. Well, it's looking better. It's going to look pretty foggy come close to the end when I use the 3000. But it's looking the way it's supposed to, so hey, hopefully this is working out. So far, so good. Next, we'll be using the 3000 grid. I think that looks fine. So we got the 3000 grid on here now. Doesn't feel very 3000-y, but feels like there's nothing there. We'll give her a try. So, 3000. There is some sort of a resistance to this, doing this. So, yeah, I'm guessing there's a resistance. Somewhat. Compared to the 2000. Oops. That'd be a great kit if I could use the McGuire's clear coat. I should put a kit together and see what one make a nice kit, even though the McGuire's one was nice. But, you know, I'm on the Simoniz Platinum kit. I did like when I did the other Simoniz kit. It worked very nice. I used it on some friend's vehicle. It seemed to work out just fine. Give her another spray here. There we go. Seems to be working out pretty good. Oops, sorry about that. Give her a wipe, and I'm going to see how well she looks. We'll let the lens dry and we'll take a better look at it. Well, there she is. She's dry. She's pretty smooth. It's pretty nice. And now I'm going to use this, the Headlight Polish Restorer. So, I'm supposed to use this kind of in the same way with this, which I'm going to do. And then put the headlight sealant on with the drill and buffing head. So yeah, I'll do that right now. So there we go. I got the compound on here. We'll see how well this works. And I gotta answer the phone. No, there was not an accident. I just noticed I was probably gonna need way more than what I put on. So I added some. So we're going to start scrubbing this stuff out. Can you even see what I'm doing? Probably not. There we go. I can just scrub it in there. I don't know if they didn't say to do either circular motions or straight on this one. So, I don't know. I could do kind of what I want, probably. I used to use just circular motions since, you know, do circular motions on half. Turn it around here, and we'll get the feel the resistance on here. It's pretty neat. You can feel it's kind of doing its sanding job while polishing. At least that's what I believe it's doing. We're going to do this for a while longer, and then I'll come back and wipe it off. All right, 5 minutes later again. I am actually going to spray some window cleaner on it this time to clean off this instead of water. Stuff makes a mess. But it's not terrible. Oh. Stop it. We're gonna break this light. Okay, she's sliding all over the place now. Really good. Clean it off some more. So, a little bit more. Use the buffing towel they gave me. Give her a clean wipe down. And we'll let her dry and see where we are. I don't know if we are where we want to be at all yet. Is from what I can see is, yes, it does look better, but it is far from looking like it is new. But we do have the headlight sealant to put on. Now it's dried for 5 minutes, and yeah, it looks better, but it's not clear as it could be. So we're going to try this sealant out. We're going to see how well it works. But it does look better. And yeah, light could come through it. And but yeah, it's not. Well, look at the picture. So, you know, it's when it was at its foggiest to now. Yeah, it's not nearly as clear as what could be, but I'll go with I'm not done yet, and we'll see how good it looks like after we do the sealant on it. So we're gonna do that next, and here's the Simoniz sealant, headlight sealant, and I guess we're gonna take a look at this. Oh, it is a squeeze bottle. I don't know how much it needs. I'm always a person who likes to use excessive stuff, so yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, I like to spread it around. Oh, that's fine. Keep it easy. just going to check the instructions quickly to make sure I'm doing this right. So not at one time in those instructions does it tell me how to apply this headlight sealant. So maybe I will apply it with a proven method of using a cloth. You know, I already did just apply it with the buffing wheel, but I'm not liking the way it's going on. So we're going to do it this way. And really get her buffed in there. And I think I'm doing it the right way right now. Maybe I should use my go. Because who knows, maybe I was supposed to apply the headlight polish with that buffing wheel, but it didn't tell me in the instructions any way how to do it. So I was just going by my instinct. But who knows, instincts sometimes are wrong. But now that's looking pretty good. But let's give it a little time. We'll give it another 10 minutes. I'll take another buff out of her and we'll take a look then. Excuse me. So there we go. 10 minutes later and buffed out again. And I must say, it's not half bad, really. Still a little bit in this where it feels rough, or maybe a 600 grit would have been used nicely. If this ever does go cloudy again, I'll buff it out again with a 600 grit sandpaper, then 1,000, and then onwards, just to get this roughness out of this light. But right now, it looks fine to me. So yeah, this did a half decent job actually compared to what it did look like. And the yellowing is gone and it's pretty clear, so I'm pretty happy with the results here. Hopefully you could see a difference. You never can tell sometimes when you're using cameras and stuff. So hopefully this is a good review of this product, because I think it worked. I like the ones where I do all the sanding and everything, and then you paint on like some sort of a clear coat to it, and that seems to last a lot longer on lights. I don't know how this sealant will hold up, but I'll be driving it through the winter, and hopefully it will last up. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and hey, tune in for more, because I got a lot more to give you.